What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this episode of Restorations with Vic. For today's episode, we got these Nike SB Dunk Captain Americas that need a little bit of work. We're gonna go in using our Reshoevn8r Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit to get the shoe properly cleaned inside and out. Once we're good with that, we're gonna remove the creasing from the toe boxes, re-dye the black suede, repaint the material on the uppers, and do any other touch-up work needed to get the shoe looking brand new. We got some work ahead of us, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is put this shoe to the side for before and after purposes. Next, we're gonna remove our laces and insole. This is a very prideful insole. Good to go with that. For this cleaning, we're going to be using our Reshoevn8r cleaning mat, a bowl of water, a shoe tree, and of course, our Reshoevn8r Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit that we're going to pop open. We got our 4-ounce bottle solution, our stiff bristle brush, our medium bristle brush, and our soft bristle brush, and our towel. We'll be using all these things to make this cleaning fully successful. All right, now that we have all our stuff out, we're going to grab our 4-ounce bottle solution, pop it open. It's already off. There we go. Squeeze 2 full squirts. All right, we're ready to rock. The first brush we're going to be using is our soft bristle brush to start breaking down all the dirt on the uppers. Sorry guys, completely missed one step, and that is our shoe tree. This step is very important to help minimize the creasing on the toe box during the cleaning. All right guys, uppers are pretty soaked up. We're gonna let the set sit on these uppers for a little longer so I can continue breaking down the dirt. Right now we're gonna take out this shoe tree that I just put in so we can focus cleaning the insides with a soft bristle brush. All right. Soft bristle brush is good to go. We're gonna move on to our medium bristle brush now to take care of the midsoles and a couple of areas on the uppers that have a couple of deep stains, specifically on this back ankle piece. All right guys, uppers are looking pretty good. I know they're wet, I know they're covered up in suds, but overall it's looking a lot better. Originally the shoe was just covered in dirt and dust. Now you can start to see the black on the actual suede. Let's finish off this cleaning by using our stiff bristle brush to take care of these soles. All right guys, cleaning is pretty much done on the shoe. Before we go ahead and let it dry, we're gonna grab our insole, our soft bristle brush, and give it a quick scrubbing. Good to go with that. Now let's grab our laces, our bowl of water, Simply give them a quick cleaning in the leftover water and solution. All right, good to go with that. Let's grab our towel, our shoe, quickly pat it down dry. Now let's put this outside and let it dry so we can come back and move on with this restoration. We are back, guys. We got the shoe out the sun. It is fully dried and ready to go. As you can see, we can actually see the colors on the shoe again. The black is almost back to black. It's still pretty faded, but we'll take care of that in just a second. Right now, what we're gonna do now is remove the creasing off the toe boxes. They're super creased up, so we're gonna go ahead and stuff it up, use the iron method and a wet towel to get rid of all the creasing. All done removing the creasing from the toe boxes, you guys. As you can see, that toe box looks really clean. Now let's move on to taking care of the suede. The first thing we gotta do is tape off everything but the black suede. All taped up, now let's lay down our black dye. For this dye, we're gonna be using some Dynaflow from Jacquard through my airbrush. All done redyeing the suede, you guys, looks really good. I highly recommend using Dynaflow dye by Jacquard. It leaves it nice and black. I recommend using this stuff over any other dye because other dyes tend to leave a purple or brown tint on the black suede. Now moving on to restoration, we're gonna go ahead and lay down the gray on the gray areas, cover up all those nasty scuffs. We got our paints over here and our paintbrush, of course. The colors that I used to create this color was brown, flat black, white, putty, and dark gray. I also went ahead and added some duller to get that flat tone. All done laying on the gray paint. This restoration is pretty much complete. The color match is on point. I'm not gonna lay down a matte finish because these materials don't need it. All we gotta do now is lace it up. Alright guys, that's going to bring us to an end on this restoration on these Nike SB Dunks Captain America. As you can see, this shoe cleaned up super nicely. The very first step I did was use our Reshoevn8r Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit to get the shoe fully cleaned out. We got rid of all the dirt, germs, and grime out of the shoe. Once that was good to go, we removed all the creasing from the toe box, got a nice back to that perfect original toe box shape. After that, we taped it all off, laid down some black dye from Dynaflow by Jacquard, got it back to its original color. Then we laid down our gray color, perfectly matched, and got the shoe back to its original glory. You can find our stuff you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next time.